Hi everyone, I'm the chef Dwight, and today I'll be making maraschino cherry fried chicken. So the first thing I do, I chop one whole chicken in pieces. And then I wash with lime juice. So now I'm gonna marinate my chicken and put it in the fridge for overnight. So the first thing I do is 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon salt,
Hungry.
1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 cup of buttermilk, and then I mix. Then I cover with plastic wrap, like so, and put it in the fridge for 24 hours. Now I'm gonna make the coating. In here, I have 2 cups of flour and half cup of cornstarch. 1 teaspoon of paprika. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder.
Nice.
1 teaspoon onion powder. 1 teaspoon salt. Half teaspoon cayenne pepper. So folks, it's 24 hours now, and I'm gonna take my chicken from the fridge and drain. So now I'm gonna drain the chicken. So now I'm gonna combine all the seasoning together and pour it in my pot, like so. Now for my maraschino glaze, I'm gonna add 1 cup of cherries. Quarter cup of cherry syrup. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of honey. One tablespoon soy sauce. 1 teaspoon grated ginger. 1 clove garlic. On my stove top, I'm gonna mix and combine everything together. While I'm doing that, I'm kind of pushing down on the cherries to get the juice out of it. To make some cornstarch mix, I am gonna put 1 teaspoon in my bowl. And I'm gonna add a tablespoon of water. Then I mix these together. I mix everything together. want to throw this in my glaze so it gets thickens, you know. Now I throw my cornstarch that I made inside here, inside my glaze, and I mix until it becomes thickens, like so. Wow, smells good, ain't it? Yeah. And you notice I keep slightly crushing the cherries so the juice could come out of it. So I'm using this to get all the juice from my cherries inside the sauce. So now I'm gonna coat my chicken. So I put it in it like that and I press down. Put it and press down. Like so. Put them in, press down. Like so. I coat my chicken and I put it in my baking tray like that. I'm gonna rest them for 10 minutes before frying, so everything can connect. Yeah, you want the flour to coat the chicken properly, you know? So you gotta press them in. Hold them and press them in, like just like so. Press them in. Then you put it on your tray. So finally, what I do, I put my chicken in my pot, like so. I grab my cover and I put it on and I shake again. After I shake my chicken, I put them back on my tray, shake off the excess flour, shake off the excess flour, shake off the excess flour, put it on my tray, and I'm gonna rest these chicken for 10 minutes so the coating could soak into my chicken and it sticks. So I grab my Dutch pot and I throw some oil in it with some pimento berry and onion, like so. You want your oil to be 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So you see, I'm gonna check if my pot is ready to fry my chicken. So I get some flour and I throw it in the pot like that, like so. And as you can see, it's dissolving, it's getting brown. So my chicken is ready to be fried. So I am putting four pieces of chicken in my pot because I don't want to overcrowd my pot. And I'm going to fry the chicken for 12 to 15 minutes. One other thing again, to get your 350 temperature, put your stove on 7 right here. 7 is about 350. From 6 to 7 is about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So halfway through the 15 minutes, I switch my chicken. I turn over my chicken, like so. I turn them over. So these are done. I'm gonna add these to the pot and continue finish off the next few. Now my chicken is done fried and I'm gonna plate and taste. So this is my maraschino cherry fried chicken. I'm gonna give it a taste. Wow.
Wow, it looks
delicious.
I wanna have some, yeah. I wanna have some too.
So now folks, I hope you have learned something on how to make this recipe. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.